We have just posted our 100th video from the last 6 months of traveling. We're about to show you exactly how much we earned on YouTube, what we have learned, what videos did well, and what we can show you to hopefully inspire you to start your own YouTube channel, because it is one of the best things we have done. So let's get into it straight away. And to start off with, as you can see, if I just put it down onto lifetime of earnings, we have earned £2,641 and 14p. We got monetized in May, which means we have earned on average around £20 per day, which is insane. We get to say that we now earn on YouTube. That's something we never thought we would be able to say, or at least it was going to take a lot more time than it actually did. We did get monetized in April after getting it so wrongly done on the monetization page. They then demonetized us. We had to wait 30 days, and then we got remonetized on May the 7th, May the 6th. And that's when we started earning. As you can see, we got 2.2 million views. When we thought we were only going to get 50 views, maybe 100 views, maybe my mum was going to watch it, maybe Fiona's parents were going to watch it. But instead, we got 2.2 million views, which is amazing. To get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 hours of watch time. And that is insanely hard to get. Let's not play that down. So to get 164,000 hours of people's watch time on our channel is amazing. Insane. And we did actually have one day where we hit that eligibility to get monetized in one day. 4,444 hours out of the 6 months of posting. It's now around 6.5 to 7 months. We have gained 12,996 subscribers. And we had that one day where we had that huge viral hit where we got 401 subscribers in one day, and either side of that we got 250 and 217 subscribers. So almost in that one instance we've gained 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. So again, total ad revenue was £2,641 and 14p. On some of those days we were getting as high as £50, and then on average we were getting 30s and 40s, maybe some 20s in there, and then recently we've had a lot less. But that's okay, because in travel and when you're posting about content in different countries, YouTube is constantly trying to figure out where to place your videos. And sometimes when you're moving around a lot, it doesn't understand that. But it could also be down to the thumbnail didn't hit right, the title didn't hit right. So there's a whole mixture of things that the algorithm is trying to figure out, and sometimes you don't get it right, and that's okay. We've been posting on YouTube for 6 months, so trying to learn all of that it's challenging, it's hard, it's not easy. You have to learn as much as possible in the shortest amount of time because you want to get it all right, and sometimes it just doesn't go to plan, but we've still got incredible, amazing memories that we can now watch and look back on. And that's what is so good about travel content and any other content that you want to post. As long as you enjoy it or it gives some value to someone out there, that is all you are trying to do. And we have loved every second of posting our content. We've had amazing comments. We've had comments that basically told us to stop because we didn't deserve to be here, but you just got to ignore it. It's just noise in the void that they shout in, and you just got to ignore it. Let's go into revenue per mile. So we got on average from posting across the last 6 months, £1.36. Now that doesn't tell the full story, because some places like India and Sri Lanka and Nepal, you get a lot lower RPM than what you do when you're posting in Europe. It just depends on your demographic of who you're posting to. It could be as much as the title didn't hit right, or the thumbnail wasn't right for the advertisers to then advertise on your videos. So if we go into it and look into it a little bit more. So our 2 highest hitting videos didn't get a lot per 1,000 views. They got 71p and £1.19p respectively, and they earned £240, which was our highest earning video because it had a lot of views. But views doesn't mean a lot of money. It just sometimes means that you're gonna get some money. But as you can see, we have had a few videos that have had a much higher RPM, like this video here. We got £3. For 37,000 views, we made £111. And then for this one down here, we got £3.47 per 1,000 views, which meant that for 31,000 views, we got £108, which means that if that video had 200,000 views, wishful thinking, that could have been £600. And that is how it works, basically. We have had videos recently that haven't hit off because it could have been anything to do with the thumbnail, the title, the location that we were posting in. We only got 1,525 views, but we got £4.90 per 1,000 views, which meant that we got £7.33 overall so far. Hopefully we might get a few views in the future. Another one just here, £4.63 for 2,283 views, which means we got £10.28p. So we had one block of really prominent viralness in our YouTube videos, and it all started when we started posting in Turkey. We started getting huge amounts of interest in our videos. YouTube was testing our thumbnails to a much larger crowd, which meant that we were getting huge amounts of impressions. We got almost 500,000 impressions of our videos in one day on May the 17th. And again, either side of that, we had 322,000 and 334,000 either side of it. So we had a huge amount of people seeing our channel in that small amount of time. So we've had 5.9% click-through rate, which is okay for a travel content page. You're probably looking at wanting to get that around 8 to 10%, but that is probably wishful thinking for now. We're still a very new channel, although it can happen to anyone. But as you can see, we started off pretty low. Well, actually we've had all right all the way through. We've had 5% to 7% to 6%. Probably then that big block there, where we had that viral hit, May 17th, May 16th, we were getting 6%. But what was different was that those two, three videos were getting a huge amount of push through YouTube because they were testing our content essentially. Posting on YouTube has been a new challenge for us, but it doesn't mean that is the only way that we have earned money over the last 6 months. There has been other things. We got an affiliate link with a clothing company, which meant that we got paid recently €45 for 3 orders, which was amazing. Like, I never thought that this was going to be a possibility for a channel of our size. And then we've had also good income from Insta360, an amazing camera company, but we got $185 worth of affiliate marketing income. Again, we didn't think that this was going to be possible, and it all kind of just started coming together. And it's amazing that people want to support your channel. We've also got a link with Get Your Guide, had 13 bookings through our link, which meant that we've earned about £120. So it's not just YouTube ad revenue that you earn an income from. It can be a huge amount of different things that you eventually get money from. And again, this has opened up our eyes to the possibilities of what else is out there. So that brings us on to what happened in Albania, where we started working with Discover Cars. We had to post 6 videos, and for that we got £500 worth of spending money or income for us, and then €750 in booking credit for a car to use for 18 days in Albania, which for a travel content page like ours is insane. And it helped so much for that month of bringing down costs and everything. It made Albania an incredible experience. All we had to do was post 6 videos explaining that we used Discover Cars, giving them a little promotion, and it worked out amazingly. One huge takeaway from this is that views don't always equal money. It all depends on the RPM, the CPM. There is a lot more to this that meets the eye on what I've shown you today. But hopefully this has inspired you to maybe start your channel, because we never thought that this was going to be a possibility. We all started in Nepal, where we were posting every single day. We filmed the content, posted it, filmed the content, posted it. The one way that we wanted to do our YouTube channel was punch through as fast as we could, get some views, get some backing onto our page, and then we slowed down a little bit. We did every other day, and we have stayed consistently for every other day for the last 5 months, I would say. And it has been amazing to do that, because we get to watch the videos too, and we get to laugh and enjoy and share what we have experienced. And it is probably one of the best things that we have ever done. And now we get to do it again. Now that we head into South America, we can't wait to see what the next 6 months brings for our channel, what we get to experience in South America. It's going to be a whole new different adventure. We can't wait to get into it and share it on our page. And hopefully maybe in the future we might do one more of these. Hopefully maybe we've got a big positive increase, hopefully not a negative decline, but we started strong, and I can't wait to see where this goes in the future. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you on our journey in South America. Thank you for watching. Let's go.